Kids,
Yeah.
where are we going?
Not Point! Flashbang!
Guess we're going to Notch Point. Sending it north out of Yeppoon at the moment, along the Bruce Highway. Should be about, I don't know, 2.5 hours or something like that. And see when we get there. The weather's turned it on. That cyclone off the coast is gone now and all the water's gone calm again, so should be bloody good. See when we get there. Hey, can you hold that thing still? It's bloody hot outside.
37.
I'll tell you what. The boy just asked for his window down because we've had the aircon on. I wind it down and nearly bloody died. It's 37 degrees out there, it's bloody hot. There's not even a cool breeze. Wow. It's just gone 12 o'clock and we're 37 degrees already. That's insane.
She's a hot.
Bloody cooking, mate. Do I sound like an Aussie then? Mate. Bloody cooking, mate. Morning from Notch Point. Yeah, had a few dramas with the car yesterday coming up here. It's not all smooth sailing when you're on the road. It was bloody hot and we were sort of hitting that 40-degree mark on the road as an average. Sometimes 43, 44. And towing 3 ton behind us. We were fully loaded with water and the car just wasn't liking it. It was getting a little bit hot and I pulled over into a rest stop there and just grabbed the hose out and gave her a bit of a cool down over the radiator and got her back down. The second I got down the road she overheated again, so I limped it up here to camp. It was a slow run. Pulled it apart last night and I just cut the thermostat out. I know that's not the right thing to do, but it'll cool it down. I got to shoot into Mackay this morning, grab a new thermostat because I think the thermostat shit itself. But anyway, that was a 10-minute job last night while it was cool. Just turned the back lights on the caravan and a bit of a workstation there. Like I said, just cut the center of it out. If you leave the ring in there, it still restricts it so it's not overflowing, and that's cooled it down. I had it running there for a bit. So happy days. That'll get us into Mackay. Grab a new thermostat, chuck that in. Go get a couple of bits and pieces. I need a little part for Dad's bus too. So, but all in all, bloody top spot. When we entered Notch Point yesterday, we came across the cattle farm owner, and he was actually kind enough to let us through his private road, access down to the beach. He said that they've had monster tides here, like 9.5 meters, and the track was actually covered in a bit of salt water. And he just kindly said, look, I really don't want to see you drive through it with that beautiful van on the back. And so he guided us through his property, which was bloody nice of him. I stood there having a chat to him for 5 once he had let us through, and bloody top bloke. They don't actually own this camp spot. The council does, but the council doesn't maintain it. So they run their cattle through it, which keeps the grass down, which allows blokes like you and I and your wives, girls, ladies, whoever, to come here and enjoy it. If it wasn't for the cattle property owner, none of us would be able to be here because it'd be that bloody overgrown. So kudos to him, top bloke. I'm gonna see if I can have a bit of a chat to him on camera, get him to give us a bit of a rundown of the area. He's a pretty knowledgeable bloke. But hey, just out on a morning walk with the dog. Couldn't ask for a better bit of scenery. So we'll catch you a little bit later. I'll chuck the bird up in the sky too, get a bit of a bird's eye view of here. And, might have to run the aircon for a bit today because I think it's going to be another stinking hot day. Like I said, I think we got up, the highest temp yesterday on the way in was about 44 degrees. That's bloody cranking. The road was melting, it was sticking to my tyres. Anyway, legends, chat soon. We'll check back in when we're maybe in Mackay. So just quickly while I'm on my morning walk with the dog, speaking of that cattle owner yesterday, he said they've had some monster tides up here, like 9.5 meters. I think I mentioned it before. I don't know if anyone or many of you have seen a 9.5 meter tide, but it is bloody impressive in how far that comes in and goes out. Now the water in front of me at the moment is a good couple of 100 meters, and probably about, oh man, if I ran a level out, it'd have to be near on 5 or 6 meters down, if not more. And just behind me here, I don't know if you can see that high tide line, but that's probably a good 2 or 3 meters above me. But look how far that water is out there. It's still running out of the ground here. That's how much moisture it holds. It's still running. That's incredible. It's coming out under that rock there, and it's a fair time of water, let me tell you.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. Fire burns down and the embers slow.
Back from the morning walk with the dog, hiding in the caravan shade because it is bloody hot already. But you ever seen trees that have just been battered by the wind? Like absolutely battered? Have a look at this, I'll just spin you around. Have a look how they're growing.
Just 12.3 now.
How's the colour of that? So just back from Mackay, I shot in quickly with Dad. Sorry about the wind noise if you're getting it too, by the way. There's a little bit of a breeze picked up here on the beach. And just shot into Mackay with Dad and got a thermostat for the car. So I'll change that when it all cools down. But just missed high tide. I don't know if you can see the tide line behind me, but it's down a little bit. So just missed it, but bloody hell. Have a go at the colour of that. That's impressive. Might be time to go get a fishing rod and flick a few lures around, I think. If this wind settles down a little bit, I'll chuck the drone up and I'll send it up on the drone, get it a bit further out the back. But jeez, get a go. Not bad. Bloody impressive, isn't it? 9 meter tide here today. Huge. Not bad. not bad at all. Bloody beautiful. Another fun fact, I actually met one of our followers today on YouTube, which was bloody cool, eh? He came up and approached me and he said, "You've been here before?" So I have. So it was apparently our video, or you know, our video was part of the reason that he came here after a few of the videos that he had found online. So mate, when you see this, thank you, thanks for following. I hope you enjoy the rest of the content we keep producing as we start to gear up and produce more. Really cool, mate, nice to meet you. Thanks for saying g'day, that means a lot. And, it shows that people are watching, and the video went a long way to helping somebody find this place. And you know, it wasn't just our video, obviously, there's others out there, but it helped, so awesome, that's what it's all about. Good on you, mate. Hopefully I'll see you around on the traps again. And enjoy your stay at Notch Point. By the time you would have seen this, it would have been and gone, but good on you, mate. Lap it up, eh?
Whoa, what do you got there?
Monster truck.
Monster truck. Up. Down you go. You're okay. What have you got here? All your cars and your diggers and your trucks. Motorbike.
And this,
Yeah, what's that?
I don't want to walk.
Playing with all your cars? Oh, construction site. Digging some dirt.
Now do you tip this
And
out?
tip it out. You having fun? Look how filthy you are. Look how filthy you are. Freaking filthy. Filthy bum.
Don't throw
Don't.
sand at the camera.
Don't. Naughty boy. Look, you're filthy as anything. Oh look, we come to the bigger kid. Filthy. Look at ya. Filthy.
What do you got?
Coconut. It's a nice coconut.
Where'd you get that?
Granddad spotted it, Lily gave it, and Dad, you cut it.
Dad cut it open?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it good?
We're just leaving Notch Point now. It's been a great stay. There has been, seeing we were in winter time last time we were here summertime now, and there was a fair bit of bugs and some mosquitoes, but all in all it's still a beautiful spot, especially when it's free and you got waterfront views. Can't beat it.
That car behind me is apparently the car that drowned through the tidal salt water pool. Don't be stupid. If it's deep, don't send a car through that's not capable. What a clown. Anyway, that's what you get, eh? Now your car's buggered.